Let's go, man. Let's go. Today I went positive. I could have went super crazy if two of these trades hit. Shit, I would have gained like 2% on the account. That would have been almost done. I'm almost came back from the dead. I'm almost back at break even. I was down -3 on the account. Came back because was never really worried because my strategy is very profitable. So I was -3. Other as human emotions, you're always gonna be upset. But if you know I study this shit every day, you're gonna be profitable. So as y'all can see here, we went 2 L's, but 2 L's. Shit, 2 L's. We had 2 L's, but these 2 L's didn't fucking shit. If these 2 L's hit, oh my god, that would have been crazy. So let's mark up the 2 L's. Usually I mark it up before I go live, but I don't know. Today won't today. So today, I'm thinking today Thursday. So as y'all can see, we 1-3. The goal Tuesday, we went to 0. We must have went 0 because we ain't right on. I think we went 2-0 yesterday, yeah. So we went 1-2 today. I wish we went 1-3-1. That would have been crazy. So we got 2 L's. Crazy thing is we got 2 L's. And 1 W. We still went profitable. So okay, this is Wednesday. So one W and fucking 4 L's for this. And yeah. Well, five L's and 1 W. This shit. Then 30 actually been 30 been saving us low key. Like I said, gold is meant for 30 low key. 30 been saving us because you know how we went 1-5 for gold. We're at fucking 4-0 for 30. So it's really been saving us. This was like a 2 point, bro. Like a 2.04 today, bro. So Wednesday, like you said, 30 been going good. I'm 1-5 for 30, but I'm at 1-5 for gold, but 30 been so good. I'm profitable for the week. So that's why I just trade other pairs sometimes. Sometimes certain pairs don't move like other pairs. So sometimes, did I write a L? I didn't catch no L. So 0, I just forgot to write it down. So taking stats every week is gonna make you profitable. Just take stats, see why you lost, see when to enter, and then I'm telling you, it's just gonna make you profitable. So as this week, 3 W 0, and then for gold 1-3, and 1 win equivalent to 2. So y'all do the math. So we up for this week. We up 1.7%. We up 1.7%. Let me look at this. This is what I'm gonna do. Sorry, I got a YouTube video upload and I went live. So as y'all see, that's my real-time testing. Real-time test. Damn, pop up. I just don't like gold. Like gold, low key. I ain't like how for tree I 30 move. I like tree like 30. Yesterday was so beautiful. Like it was so beautiful. It was sexy. It was doing nice price movements, but it can't be sexy every day. But gold is good for EIs, and the EIs Loki hasn't been hitting for the past 2 weeks. Like when I first made up EI, I thought it was good, and then I made up this tree system to equivalent to enter more setups. Not that EI is trash, is that it doesn't happen often. And then sometimes it don't happen, sometimes it do. And when it did today, I lost. And it's like the challenges you really trying to pass them. You ain't trying to stay too long on the challenges. So yeah. So what we looking at? We're gonna look at US30 and gold. I was in strictly buys today, to be on all honesty. I was in all. God damn it. I was in I gotta stop doing 5:30. I might next week. I'm gonna stop doing because I don't even trade at 5. I'm not gonna lie. Like I used to trade at 5:30 when I first started, but it was like I ain't gonna say it was break even-ish, but it was like I might trade 5:30 tomorrow because I'm gonna wake up around that time. Maybe I could trade 5:30 tomorrow and be so profitable. It just God damn, it's hard. I don't have to. So 5, as you see, I'm looking at bars for 30. Oh, let's clone this. That's what I want to do for the YouTube video. Ooh, love, I want your company. Let's see. All right, let's edit this. That. Oh my gosh. All right, let's calculate the stats. God damn. No, it's hot, bro. Oh my gosh, man. That hurt. Uh, oh my gosh. I'm not even thinking, bro. I'm really not. I might just speed through this today. I know what I be looking at. You just. Oh. So we looking to buy. Oh, we looking to buy. So I just follow the trend off the 1 minute. This is a 1 minute time frame. Very profitable. I know how because I study this every day, Monday through Thursday. And let's show it. So we usually take stats. We showed the forward testing, which was today. So our stats for today, 1 and 2. We took more setups. We would have won, but we didn't take more setups. So we're gonna see our statistics for today and see how good it is. All right, so let's zoom in. So usually, the method we looking for sales. So boom. This is somewhere we would buy, somewhere around here. And we would lose. So that's an L. Then you gotta figure out why it's a L. Don't look too deep in it because sometimes you have L. This is a buy right here. You buy right here. It's a retracement. Like I said, we only looking for buys. Buy right here. See red, 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 red. Retrace the red candle. See the 5. Enter at the 1.4. Boom. That's a W. And it's usually, I'm not even gonna lie. It's this strategy is about a 55% win rate, but But the thing is, the edge is a 1.82 RR sometimes. So like, look, like, so say I never enter late. Don't never ever enter late. Like if I enter late, I just get out real quick. You never enter late. Like say, don't. It's fear of missing out. So some people will enter. Don't you ever? If you miss the strategy, just don't enter. I be telling people that your strategy, my strategy, no matter whose strategy this is, do not never ever enter late. So look, this is a 1.9. Boom. 1.9. It could be a 2 point. It could be a 1.8 around to 2 point. Usually it's about a 1.8, give or take. Except, and then boom, you don't and you get out. So even if you lose one and win one, you always have more money in your pocket. That's why I lost twice today, won one, but I'm still profitable for the day. So that's why even if you don't like my strategy, I always say at least have a good RR. Like have a good RR. That would take you over the top. You ain't gotta like my strategy, but you gotta like winning. So you should like my strategy. So and it's quick. I made this quick because some people in real life don't really like trading for a long time. Like either me, I'm either gonna trade for a long time, like I will hold for 5 to 6 months, or I will just enter. I don't want to enter off the hour because I'd rather just hold that jump for 6 months. Buy a company that's down, that's I know it's profitable, and then just buy it and hold it onto it. So this would be an entry right here. Like I said, we're only looking for buys. That's just how I roll. So you buy right here, and this is our take profit right here. Let's see if it hit. Boom, we lose. So that's the 2L, 1 and 2. Like I said, it is a 56% win rate strategy. As the whole month, this win rate was 55%, but it was it's a 2 point. So that could give you way over the hump. I'm telling you, this could give you way over the hump. So boom, you don't see no entries. So we're 1 and 2. And as you can see, price is going up. So we're 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Boom. Now, wouldn't enter that. So you're something. I like this right here. I like this setup. Come right here. Like I said, pull back that fib, and wait for the money to happen. So, and if it never happened, you never enter. You feel me? So right now we're just 1 and 2. So boom, market is just dropping. Like I said, I usually stay biased off buys because overall it's buys to me. If you can't buy, just don't buy. And yeah, we just went 1 and 2 for the 5:30 to 7:30. We took 3 setups, 1 and 2. Probably would have been a little bit profitable because I went 1 and 2 today. Like I said, you can win them all, but you can make this strategy better just taking better setups. So now it's the tree system and the EI time. The EI get you over the hump too. Instead of a 2 RR, it's like a 3.5 RR. So this is way fucking better. So like I said, we looking for buys. So boom, I buy right here. Right here. The only way I don't buy right here because there's nowhere to enter. Like any places right here. You can't enter this, but I don't like how this look. Even so, I could just say this is a W, but realistically, in a human psychological mind, you really wouldn't enter from that. If you want to, go ahead. Like, just test it out. Like I used to just enter everything. Even entering every setup, I'm not even trying to joke. You can still be profitable because it's a 2 RR and it wins at least 45% of the time. But if you just follow trend, you could boost it up by 10%. So everything ain't meant to be taken. So I would have took this. Yeah, if I lose, I lose. So that's a W. So for the tree system, so that's an I. We right. We get our first W for the tree. So boom. That's when you see 3 candles, 3 red candles. It was news today. Once news happened, I'm not trading. I'm not trading. I'm not trading. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm gonna wait till like 9. Boom. And then usually, boom. All right. I'll probably wait till 10 for this. So I probably wait till 10 realistically. So it's about 10. It's about 10 o'clock. It's about 10 o'clock. So yeah, let's go. Now I'm entering. We're gonna enter that. Maybe looking at this looked like a good entry. This looked like a good entry. So boom, boom, that's a W. And I think this is the one I took. This looked like the one I took. All right, come on. So right now, you'd have been profit. I would have been super profitable if I just traded 30. The tree system, like I said, works better for 30 sometimes. We wouldn't take none of this, none of this, none of this. We wouldn't take any of this. Like I said, this is something you can take. Sure, let's just say we take it. Boom, that's an L. So that's one L. This is one I'll take now. And a tree can be formed off this. So I'm in an EI. So boom, right here. Boom, you enter. Okay. Let's just speed this up. Boom, that's an L. So two L's. We already got two L's. Boom, boom. Still profitable for the day. Like I said, but I don't want to have two L's. So let's keep going. So let's see where we at. Where will we at enter? This might be. This might be an L too. All right, so we enter from here. Okay. Oh, okay. You could have took this one right here. This probably could have been a W. Hell yeah, you did. I would have took this one. Why? Because boom. Now that would have been an L. So let's write that L. Because I would say hell yeah. I said hell yeah. So let's give me a hell L. So boom, boom. So boom. So we're 3-3. Like I said, even if we 3-3, we still profitable for the day. Still profitable. I want your company, sweet, sweet dream. Four, because right there. Only way I would take this, I'm gonna tell the truth. It's like when you know market structure so good, it price is right here. It's one to break. If I see so much red candles and it passed the 50, it's at least gonna go here, and I'm gonna take that risk though at 1.4. So we'll be 4-3. And like I said, 4-3 is very nice because every time you win double what you lose. So imagine that even we 2-3, we're still more profitable. So we're 4-3 now. Like I said, if you don't take anything from my strategy, take the fact a higher RR is actually better. Even if you lose, the thing about people in trading while losing is it's the fact they gotta lose more. Yes, if you lose more but have a higher RR, you'll be profitable. Get your bitch ass out of here. Gonna listen to me and not say nothing. Fuck niggas. Y'all watching real game and y'all keep joining and leaving. Bitch ass niggas. Let's see. We probably entered this one. Let's see. Yeah, let's give us a sweet, sweet dream. So boom. I'm seeing 30 drop like this. What time is it? It's around 2 o'clock. Yeah, 30 going crazy. 30 going crazy. Uh, this might. Let's see. That look like something I answered. Okay. It's a light sign. It doesn't happen. You enter again. It doesn't happen. You enter again. I don't know. Maybe I think there's a L. Oh no, that's a W. Like I said, this is like a 50-55% win rate. Usually every time I start to take this now, it'd be like 5-5, 6-6. I don't like it per se because even if it is 5-5, it's the fact I don't like this because say if you take 12 setups, I'm not going to catch all them 12 setups. I probably catch 6, 5. And what if all them 5 was L's or 4 L's and 1 W? Like I said, yes, it is a 50, but we trying to manage the fact to get it to at least like a 70. And we just have to figure out a market where it looks good at. That's a W. Yeah. So, let's see. 7, 7. Yeah, so that's 2 more. All right, all right. So look, I think we move on. So boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 out of 5. And if you add 7 out of 5, and I'm being generous with this, so 7 out of 5. No, I think an EI was formed against us. So EI, so you see, as price doesn't want to break here, so this is what you do. If any of y'all watching, which y'all should be watching, if price doesn't break, boom, boom comes up, it's not breaking, you enter, and you win this EI too. So boom, you enter off this 50. Instead of that 2-point R, you get a 3.5 R. So right here, enter, and then you win at 3.5. So we could take one away from tree and one right here instead of, because we wouldn't take a tree, we would take an EI. Instead of 1 point, we would take a 3 point. So this is our record for the day. So we could say 3.4% gain. 3.4% gain because it's 1 EI. Did an EI happen right here? No, I don't like. I wouldn't have took this one. Even. Nah, EI never. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yes, the EI does happen. I wrote this. I wrote it as an L here, but it's an L right here. That's L right here. It's an L right here. So let's change this to 2. 2. So 2 take away 7 is negative 0.3%, and then 4. So it's 1 times 1.7 times 4. Times 6. Take away 4. You would get 6.2%. So you would have gained 8% by taking every setup. Like I said, my strategy, I wish it was to a point. If I really want to sit down one day and just take every fucking setup I see, because even when you take it and it's a 1%, I don't even trade off 1%. I don't even think the value of this can be trade. The most you probably can trade at is a 0.5% of every trade. So even so, it's you gain what 8% today if you took everything, but let's just say 6, give or take. You divide it by 2, 3%. You gain 3% today. If you took every setup I did today, you would have gained 3% on your account just doing this scalping strategy, which is insane. Like I said, I was down on account -3. Look how I bring it back up to life. I passed that 1, went to -3. I said, let me come back. And look, well, bam, back at break even today. It's so simple. It's so easy. I'm so smooth with it. You got to be smooth. You got to be calm, and you got to believe in your strategy. Because once you believe in your strategy and take the statistics every day, you're going to win, baby. I'm telling you. Cheers. You gonna win. Just look back on your strategy. See what I did wrong. See what you could do better. Just keep testing it. If it doesn't work, explain why it doesn't work. Don't be like it's failing. Because if someone did this already, that means you can do it. So that's how I look at it. Now we're gonna move on to gold. I'm telling y'all niggas, you gotta love what you do. It's certain shit niggas don't love what they do. They be like, I'm not profitable, so I'm gonna quit. Even when I won't profitable, the thing about this, I love the fucking game. I love this shit. I was wanting to be this when I was 14, young nigga. So I'm explaining why I can't quit. Most niggas would have quit. I was 2 years in not making shit, but I'm like, I have to get this. I have to get it. If you don't get it, study. See why you lost, and that's how the greats come. They stay in the gym and study. It don't matter what it is. You could be great at anything. Sometimes you need a little gifted and luck. See what type of human being you is. You can't be good at something that's really not meant for you. But if it's meant for you, just do a little studying, and I swear you're gonna be great. I'm tired of all of y'all coming in here. Y'all not liking. Can I get some likes, some comments, some love? Can I get something? Let me get some love, man. I'm spitting game, man. I'm spitting game to y'all. No love. I could be watching the finals, which I'm still gonna be watching the finals, but it's probably first quarter right now. But nothing comes before the studying. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. You feel me? I gotta say it like the other YouTubers, because I swear that might be work. That might work. But like I said, man, I'm spitting facts to y'all. I'm spitting facts. So like I said, let's study gold. Low key, I'm starting not how to like how gold move. That's why I'm trying to transition to GJ, but GJ and gold is like, they're not brothers, but they're cousins. They got similarities. Like, I don't know. Maybe I could try a Forex pair. If a Forex pair don't got that much spread, I'd try a Forex pair though. If a Forex pair don't got that much spread. So now what we looking at is gold. Let's zoom out of gold and see what it is. So gold is in its trending phase right now. It's in its trending phase. So like realistically, I would sell. I'd sell low key as of right now. Yeah, I'll sell. But it is making higher highs. But it's giving me ranging instead of like buying. Like so, I sell. I wouldn't mind selling. So, boom, I come up here. And now let's start. I'm telling you, I don't mind selling today because the market is showing me selling. What's good, my boy? Yeah, show me some likes, some love, man. I got people joining back and forth, man. Only my man show me love. But what's good, man? I know the game is on, but shit. I'm a tune in. I be having it on the side, but shit. Man, I was uploading a video for this other joint. Computer got slow, so I was like, fuck it. But nah. Went a little positive today. I'm almost back at break even on step 2 on the challenge. Yeah, I usually got my joint on the side, my joint right here on the side. But I'm like, man, I'm gonna watch it after this. I'm gonna just go live for a little bit. It's only first quarter. I ain't missing nothing. I was tapped in like a motherfucker. That should be distracting. So I was like, man, I'm gonna tap in after this. All right, damn. I want to say, all right. Yeah, he ain't lying because I was down -3. But man, once I pass this jump, get a little $1,000 profit, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all niggas join them. But man, once I pass that, man, niggas gonna tap in, man. People just like seeing people, succeed on negativity. So I gotta do one or the other, man. I ain't with the negativity, so I gotta succeed in this shit because most niggas can't pass the part. Like I was about to pass the other joint. They up there talking about I'm over leveraging. I said, yeah, I'm not doing this shit. I'm like, man, these niggas made up a rule on me. Low-key, I'm scared of prop firms because I don't want this one. I'll pass. They be like, man, you scalping. You ain't supposed to trade this way. If they hit me with that shit, I'm gonna be all done with prop firms because I did some research on this E8 shit. They said they legit though. They said they real legit. Oh no. So that's 1W. They said they legit. I'm gonna take their word for it. All right, let's see. 2Ws. Damn, we'd have been profitable this morning. Okay. Hold up. All right, it'd have been 2 and 1. Let me see. Hold up. The market right now. Let me see. What we looking at? Let's just the overall market. Let's just look at SPY. Let's see. Yeah, like long term wise, I like that long term. If it do buy, it's gonna buy hard. That's all I'm gonna say. It's gonna buy hard because it's almost at peak. I, I ain't gonna lie, I got it buying. I ain't gonna lie, I got it breaking highs, but I think it's gonna come back down. Like it's gonna break and then it's just gonna come back down. That's what I think is gonna happen. When if it come back down, I buy. You said Amazon. Let me see that Amazon real quick. You said Amazon. I ain't gonna lie. No matter if you bought, I ain't trying to front. What is this? 2022 was. I be forgetting. 2022 was a weird year. That's everything was just ranging or negative. I be forgetting. 2022 was just nasty. Let me see. They probably giving me alerts about the game series. All right, bet. Nah, that Amazon buy clean. Like, yeah, I ever bought Amazon somewhere last week. I marked it here for a reason. Shit. I marked it here for a reason. Oh, I was probably selling last year. Okay. You know what? I like Amazon bars right now. I probably like me, a nigga like me would have bought somewhere in April and just held to December. I'm telling you, I be liking what y'all do. Like I like the stocks, but I'm a nigga like me I'm holding for a year. Like if I bought in April, yeah, I better get 200%. I'm gonna hold till I get 200% and take out or to the leap year end. But Amazon buys is pretty cool. Depending on where you bought. Even right here is pretty. It ain't bad. I like Amazon buys right here. It ain't bad. It's it ain't I like Amazon leap. So if you bought Amazon, just this is what I would have did. I bought Amazon. I want 200% or hold it for like you said. You do leap year calls. I'm holding that joint for a year. Like, comment, subscribe, man. If y'all new, man. Like, comment, subscribe if y'all new. Woo! I had to make sure the mic works. Testing. All right, it works. Yeah, but Amazon buys cool. Let's see. Ooh, these notes is nasty. I remember you used to have the notes. That joint used to freeze the computer. Look, bro, my joint freezing. I'm gonna have to use XL and just keep all my notes still, bro. This look nasty. This don't look nasty. I'm gonna use an Excel sheet. I'll probably invest in an Excel sheet. I'll probably try this weekend because I know that shit gonna take like 3 hours to just transfer everything over. Fucking, we need AI to do some transferring. Man, you know I got the Pacers, man. Man, game two didn't look good for them though. I ain't gonna lie, game two didn't look good, but it looked like everyone was asleep though. But man, let me do this last one. I probably tap into the game after this. I really want to. I'm watching on the big screen today. Nah, AI gonna take over. That's why I want to start investing in AI. Like once I pass this prop firm, I'm not even going to do like daily trading. I'm gonna just trade off fucking prop firm. I'm doing what y'all niggas do. I'm throwing in $3,000 in leap calls and Amazon AI companies, stuff that I know that's willing to go up. Spa, Tesla, y'all already know stuff that's gonna go up. All right, let's see. Boom, 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 boom. That's a L. No. Oh shit, this is on a 5 minute. Oh, let's rewind that. Did I do all of this on a 5 minute? No, I didn't. Hell no, I didn't. So what did I say I was going to do? I said I was selling. I said I was selling, but I feel like I missed a lot of sales for some reason. 530, or 530 was here. I can look at it and see what I bought and sold. So sell, win, sell, win, sell, loss, sell, win. That's two. Sell, loss. So that's 2 and 2. Sell, loss, sell, loss, wait, loss. So damn, that'd have been 2 and 4. Ooh, that's nasty. I probably would have stopped selling though. So 3, 4. That'd have been 2 and 4. Goddamn. Nah, I got the markets buying, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Especially how Spa looking. Spa going, it's gonna break highs. But once a dip come, man, niggas just don't be noticing. Man, it's like I've been studying the market for 4 years. If you ain't inspired now with them buys, I don't believe in the sales. But if it does sell, it's not a bad place to sell. But I don't believe in it, and I don't like. I don't like selling spots. Something that's willingly goes up, I don't like selling. If it's a bad company, sure. That's why I was selling like UPS and shit. I'm not selling Spa unless it's like short term. And then now I'm all about that long term. If it comes for the stocks, all about the long term, baby. Let's see, 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm all about. That's what I'm saying. Long term, baby. I'm all about the long term. So boom, boom. Facts. I told you that. I be telling people, and I be like, crypto is bad, but how I trade crypto ain't bad. I'm like, bro, the only way I don't trade stocks instead of crypto, because crypto gonna give me back 300% in about 6 months. I just buy crypto when nobody talks about that shit. Like, let me see what crypto at. 19 cents. Like, crypto not a bad spot to buy, but it was when it was 14, 13%. Go ahead, buy that crypto. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Go ahead, buy that crypto. So boom. Ooh, I think this would have been clean. This would have been a clean, but this one had count. But oh no. Hold on. Bro, Crypto be saving lives. Why the hell are you doing that? Yeah, it's almost guaranteed. It's just a thing about people. We've been in the game for a minute. It's like once you do this, for years, it's like, okay, I know how to make money now. Like this one, shit, I'm just trying to pass a challenge. But guaranteed money, if I just long term good companies, it's like a super savings account. Like I got a super savings account, crypto and smart investment. That's it. Well, I like how this look. This it. Boom, it breaks out. That would have been a cool sale though. Damn. Oh yeah, then I started buying. Mm-hmm. I started buying. Boom. I think I bought this. Yeah, I bought this one. This shit lost. This shit fucking failed me. This shit failed me miserably too. It almost hit TP. This shit failed. It ain't even hit stop loss right here. Oh yes, it did. This shit failed me. I swear TP was closer. I swear TP. I mean, it was. I was like right here to TP. I'm rubbing. You rub your hands. You thinking TP about to hit. That's only what fucking gold do to you. 30 be fucking hitting. I'm fucking 4-0 with 30, 4-0, and then I'm what 1 in fucking 4. Yeah, gold. Yeah. Let me see. Oh fuck, I forgot. I can't look at it on this one. I gotta look at gold on the queen chart. Let me see gold. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Yeah, I probably gotta start spamming that shit. Gold's been in this ranging bag lately, but yeah, gold. I think gold about to break new highs. I don't know when, but soon. Soon, gold gonna break new highs. Eventually, gold is about to break new highs. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. I'm gonna just start spamming that shit. They gonna like, man, I might have to. That shit real, cause someone told me, man, like the damn video. Y'all watch it. I was like, fuck it, let me like it. So you probably do gotta spam that joke. Yeah, I took 2 setups. Oh my god. And oh man. What the hell? Yeah, like, comment, subscribe if you're new. One side. He said one side. Oh man, it's hard. I be saying that sometimes too. Hi. I ain't gonna lie. So W, that'd have been 2-1. I ain't gonna lie, go scalping it's been looking like scalping and ranging markets is nasty, bro. Because you really don't know the direction, but one side. Really, I got it selling, but whoa, I was done. I was done, kind of. Because let me see what I took 2 setups today. These 2 right here, back to back. I was mad as hell, bro. This was my jump. I didn't take this one. I took this right here. I'm rubbing my hands. I'm in 2 of them. I'm about to gain 2% on the count, bro. You could see I'm rubbing my hands. I'm like, bro, I just hit break even today. So I'm like, ooh, I'm about to gain 2% on the account. You don't only need what? You only need 4%. So I'm rubbing my hands. That shit went straight back to stop loss. I said, damn, man, it won't mind. I still won't upset because I'm like, man, In 4 days, I came back and break even. So I just stick to my strategy and believed in it. I was rubbing my hands. You know how it almost hits take profit. You rubbing your hands. You like, man, you celebrating early. But a nigga like me, I ain't gonna lie. Back then, 2 year, 1 year me, I probably would have took profit, break even. I don't take profits no more. I had to let it hit stop loss or take TP. I gotta believe in my strategy. Shit. My strategy shows me it works majority of the time. I ain't gonna lie, it's not working today though. This shit is nasty. You know, what the fuck? Oh man, wrong one. 30 been eating though. Oh my gosh, I gotta press replay back a lot. They just delete. All right, boom. I don't. I think I lost. I don't. Damn, damn. Gold actually doing horrible today. When I get hella views, I go back. God damn, gold ain't showing me no love today. I don't know where I ended at. So that was a W right here, a L. So yeah, one in. Damn, I really forgot. Where the fuck did I enter? Right, okay, right here. Damn, so that's fucking 2 L's back to back. Nah, this not really a L though. So that's a W and a L. I was just he talking about this game. Nah, I don't know why. Game one was so fucking fire, bro. Game one is in the history book. Game one, that shit had me on the. But over. Matter of fact, let me look at the score, bro. I'm a tune in. Hopefully, it's a good game when I tune in. Something told me not to watch it, but 1914. Sometimes you gotta come back third quarter. Bro, game one was so fire, bro. That game was fire as hell. That was one of the best games I watched. I ain't even gonna front. Let's count that L. Boom, boom, boom. That's probably too small. I wouldn't take that. So 2 and 4. Oh shit. It's not. This will be an L. So that W. He said this game ass. Damn. You go. You go. Low key. Shit. I said buys low key, but oh god. No, 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 no. What the hell I'm doing? Cause I got. So what the? As I'm buying? Yeah, I am buying. So boom, 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 boom. Okay. Okay, I got sales right here. I am buying though. I don't know why I got sales. Low key, I'm not. Sales would have probably been great today, but my statistics told me, damn, don't. And the thing about trading is, some days you could just be fucking wrong. That's what most people. You can't be right every day, man. But some days you could be wrong, and then see why you're wrong. Because I said what buy today. It does buy, but I would have felt way better probably selling. I'm not even trying to front. Like, let's see. Dude. I probably would have lost. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I would have. Nah, I would have won way more. I would have been 4-2 instead of 2-4 if I just sold. But I think Bob's gonna start to win. So that's 5 L. God damn. So that's a W. So that's a W. That's another W. So yeah, W, W. So like I said, you can just come back just like that. What time is it? 2:30. None of this I probably would have took. When market go too high up, I'll leave that shit alone. Like all of this, I'm not taking it. Yeah, I probably won't take none of this. I probably have been done for the day too. Hell yeah. Yeah, I would have just been done. So gold was kind of did go 0-2 in gold. I can't lie. 30 was crazy. I don't know. It been the opposite for me. 30 been going like the beginning when I started doing this strategy, gold passed me and 30 was failing me. And gold I made a better percentage off. It flipped. Gold is doing okay because gold is in its range of motion. I love when the market is trending. Like as y'all can see, look at gold. Gold. Oh, I gotta switch to a different zone. Look at gold. So gold is in its kind of rangy phase for the past like 4 days. But what I should have did was sold because if it's in its rangy phase and I would still kind of sell, just when it came up here, sell, 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 sell. And then if it come down here, buy, buy. But don't even try to buy. Just wait. This is what I learned how to do. Just wait. Let it come back. You gotta be patient sometimes. That's what I learned. Like some days I do want to trade a lot, but let be patient. It came back up here. Sell, 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 sell. Like comes here. Say if you want to sell. Like when I would start selling, all right, I probably start selling like right here. Sell, 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 sell. If it don't sell and it just keep going up, that means I'm just wrong for the day. But look out, if I execute sales right here, sell, 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 sell. I execute it good. It's almost at its low. Sell, sell. All right, it's not selling. That's it. Let it go up. Let it go up. Let it go up. Come back up here. Sell, 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 sell. All right, it's coming back up. Sell. Boom. Because some of them you're gonna be wrong, but if you think that's a good spot to sell, sell. Usually some spots be like right here, low as hell, and y'all still want to sell. I'm not saying it can't work, but it's just not in the statistics books to sell. Here's it 11. All right, let me write the stats for this because this shit is probably all negative. So this one is -1%. Ooh, we got two negative numbers. God damn. This ain't looking good. Psych, man, we good. Some days you just don't get everything. 1.7 times 2, take away 4, so -6. You see how we lose 2 times? We lose 2 times, 4 times, 0.6%. Yeah, gold just won't hitting for me today. So I'm not surprised gold was like, but tree always hits good. So 1.7 times what? 4, take away 5. So that would have been a 1.8%. Even if you took every percentage here, you probably would have been break even. A little bit, probably would have been almost break even. Yeah, oh shit, you would have been break even. Even losing 2 and 4, losing one here and winning 4 and 5. That's why I say have a good RR. Even if a nigga say my strategy sucks, a nigga be like, man, why you trade 1 minute or 5 minutes? I take advantage of just having a high RR. That's it. I think that's my only advantage, to be honest. Just have a high RR. Because if you have a 1-to-1 RR, I probably would have been lost this shit. It's the joke I could lose. I lost 3 times, but I won twice back to back, and I'm in break profit. And I be testing GJ, but GJ is a new shit I'm testing. I ain't traded yet. I used to love GJ back in the day, but I can see it's ranging. So we're gonna test it. But look, hey my man, I'm about to tune into the game, man. Thanks for the let me throw these 100s in here. And like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and we out of here, baby.